Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $500 in free PayPal money instantly. And this is a new site. As you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Alright guys, without further ado, let me go to this site and show you this brand new method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Alright guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Yazing. Now on this website, you're going to be making money doing some promotion here. But let me just go ahead and tell you a little bit about this website. So it says here, get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. You just click right here to join. So it also says here, saving and making money with Yazing is easy. So you want to get paid to shop. So Yazing pays you cash back rewards on everything you buy online and provides the current deals and coupon codes for the top brands and stores. And you're going to get paid to promote. So Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand deals, coupon page with others, and your influence generates sales. And last but not least, get paid fast. Yazing sends you money directly to your PayPal account as soon as we are paid by the brands and stores. No minimum and no fuss. So here are the brands they're talking about, guys. And look, these are top brands. The biggest brands in the world. Walmart, Home Depot, Verizon, Expedia, Hotels.com, Dell, Groupon. So, and look right here, they got over 4,000 more brands, guys. So you're going to be promoting some top brands, guys. So again, like I said before, you're going to be promoting. So you don't have to do any shopping at all. All you're going to do is be promoting and making money. So what I'm going to do is log into my account and show you how this whole thing works. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So this is how it looks. As you see up here, they got brands and stores, and they got deals right here. So you can get some deals on free shipping deals, free trial deals. And you got your account right here with just shows your dashboard, help center. All right, so let's scroll down here, and as you can see here, get paid for cash purchases you make and the deals you promote. And that's what we're going to be doing, is promoting And see, here's all the things you can promote, guys, and you're going to make some money just promoting. Now, here's one thing you can promote and make $500, guys. Check this out. Right here, up to $500 cash rewards. And all you do is click right here where it says promote to earn. And you're going to get this link right here. It's going to have your name or username at the end of it. So you just copy paste that and you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. Now you're probably saying to yourself, where can I promote this and get a lot of people clicking on my link? You can use this brand and promote and get a lot of people to click on there, and you can get a $500 cash reward. Or you can do what's popular, which is animals. Animals are always popular, especially when I take you to this site where it's all about animals. So any product that you promote that's going to be for the animals, any product that animals love, from food or whatever, they're going to click on that link. So let me go ahead and put in, let's do dogs. So here's all the products that you can sell for dogs. So you just click on any one of these and they're going to pay you. Now the amount could be $100, could be $200. It's not, they don't specify on here how much you will get, but the reward, it depends on how much they buy. So because it says here, like this one right here, 10% cash reward. So whatever they buy, it's going to be 10% of that. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is take you to a website where you're going to get a lot of people that like dogs or animals, and you can promote your affiliate link there and get a lot of clicks. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm on Facebook, and what I did is typed in dog groups, and these came up. So you can join this dog group because it has 90,000 members. You can join this dog group. It has 374,000 members. And once you join the group, all you got to do is just every day go in there and just have conversations with people, put a comment down on a post or whatever. Once you start getting to know people in there, then you can start posting. And what you can do is post pics of dogs. And then what you're going to do is put your link under that picture and say, click on this link if you need any type of product for dogs. And that's all you have to do, guys. That's all you have to do. This is very, very easy. You can make passive income with this because you can probably do this for a couple of weeks, putting links in there, and then when they start buying these products, they're just going to keep, the money's just going to keep coming in. So guys, that's the method. So if you want to go ahead and start this method, go ahead and go to yazing.com, sign up, and get started. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, one more thing I want to do before I leave. I want to give a shout out. And the way I give shout outs is I pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person. Thank you for your comment. Please keep watching my videos. Hope you're a subscriber. Share these videos. Hit that like button every time. Help this channel get to 7,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. I really appreciate it. Please keep dropping your comment because I look at all the comments, guys. Alright, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.